Hey, welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. My name is NaturalsBest and I do natural hair videos along with lifestyle and other random things. So if you like that, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss when I post another video. But guys, today's video is of course another wash day video. I am going to be trying a new product, so if that's something that you would like to see, continue watching the video. But let's get started right on into this video. So first I want to talk about my lineup for today. So today I tried the Alikay Naturals. Finally, guys, this is the Alikay Caribbean Coconut Milk Shampoo, guys, and that's what that looks like. And then I tried the Alikay Caribbean Coconut Milk Conditioner. I did deep condition with the Shea Moisture product, guys, so I'm a bit disappointed because I just noticed that they changed the formula and it has sulfate in it, I believe. And the previous container said no sulfates. The new container does not say anything about no sulfates. I'll put the information of the product I'm talking about in the description box, but it's a Shea Moisture repair hair mask or something like that with castor oil. I don't have it in front of me, so, but yeah, I'm a little bit sad about that. Anyway, I did use that as a deep conditioner, and now I want to try the Aloe Berry Styling Gel. So I'm super excited about trying this out. I am going to try this without a leave-in conditioner. What I like about the Alikay Naturals products is its natural ingredients. It's one of my goals to start using more natural products. I'm not going to completely do away with things that don't have natural products in them, but I do want to lean more toward natural products. So this is a great line if that's a goal for you as well. Okay, so it says, now you have the freedom to style your hair without fear of drying from a traditional styling gel. This tropical scented gel is made with aloe vera gel, botanicals, and essential oils to hydrate your hair. Aloe berry styling gel is an alcohol-free blend that offers medium hold, which keeps hair in place so your hair gets the benefits of all-day hold and moisture in one application. No more dry, sticky, crunchy hair when you have the perfect styling gel at your fingertips. Ooh, okay, so it sounds like a great product so far. I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, I'm not gonna put a leave-in with this because I want to see what this product does on its own. I want to see if it's actually not drying and all the good stuff that it's saying it does. It says featured ingredients: aloe vera moisturizes and conditions hair and smooths the hair cuticle to help strengthen cortex of damaged hair. It has sweet almond oil, helps to strengthen hair by smoothing and nourishing the cuticle, and it has avocado oil. It helps to lubricate hair and improve elasticity and reduce breakage. Directions, it says, use on wet or dry hair. Apply a nickel size amount at a time. It's gonna be hard for me, guys. As y'all know, I like to use a lot of product, and they're talking about a nickel size. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna work for me, but we'll see. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try a nickel. It says a nickel size amount at a time. So I don't know, at a time. Does it mean for each section that you apply? I don't know, we're gonna see. Hair tip: for updos or edges, first spray on lemongrass leave-in conditioner or water to dampen hair, then apply a dab of gel and brush hair in place. For better hold, tie down hair with a satin scarf for 5 to 10 minutes. That's if you wanna use that on your edges. And then I'm gonna go into the ingredients. It has aloe vera, coconut oil, almond oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, perfume, and color additives, botanical blend ingredients. So great ingredients, guys. I can read everything on the ingredient list, which is awesome. Can't go wrong with that. I do want to talk a little bit about the shampoo because it's the first time I've used this shampoo, and a little bit of this actually goes a long way. I did kind of pour it all into my hair and it got really sudsy really fast. It's a sulfate-free shampoo. The conditioner was also good. Only thing about the conditioner is I like to use a lot, and this is not a big size container. I like to use a lot of conditioner. This is not going to last me a whole lot of time, but I will say the conditioner did give me slip, which is great. So let's get started with applying this product to the hair. All right, so here we go. Let's see. Oh, this smells really nice. It smells like strawberries. It smells like strawberries. It has a good scent, and it has like this pinkish strawberry color. I mean, it is a jelly consistency. It's more water-based. It's not a thick gel. It feels water-based. So we'll see how that does for clumping my curls. All right, let's get started. Guys, I'm not doing a nickel. I can't. I can't. I got too much hair to try nickel size. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a good amount to the full section and apply this how I normally apply gel. So I'm going to go in with just this much, and then I'm going to go ahead and do smaller pieces and apply a little bit more at a time to my smaller sections. I'm not sure how I feel about this, y'all. It's going on pretty good. My hair is really detangled, guys. Look at this. So the shampoo and conditioner really did its thing on my hair. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. That's what it's looking like so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this throughout my entire hair. So guys, I want to talk about hair shaping, because I'm ready for a change. I'm scared to cut a bang. I know I've said I wanted to cut a bang before, and I'm really scared to do it myself. I don't know where to go in my area that specializes in natural hair, and I'm just honestly really scared to let anyone touch my hair. But I kind of want to get like a diva cut done or something like that, because I'm ready for a change and I really want a nice shape in my hair, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. I've been contemplating on if I want to do it myself, but I'm scared that I'm going to mess it up and it's going to look crazy. But I mean, it'll grow back, right? But I'm still scared. So yeah, that's what I've been contemplating on. So yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do. Should I try cutting it myself? Should I see if I can find a place around my area that specializes in cutting hair? I don't know, guys. All I know is I'm getting tired of the same style, same shape. I really, really want to do something about that. So don't be surprised if you see a video of me that says I cut my hair. Don't be surprised. I'm warning you now. Alright, that side is done. And this is what my hair looks like. Good definition. Good definition. It doesn't feel like it's clumping my curls together too much, but I do feel like it's doing something. Normally with gel, the thickness of a gel, you can really feel your curls clumping together. This is doing a light clump. A light clump, so that's what that looks like. Alright, this side is done. But it does feel like there's some type of a hold. Not a big noticeable hold though, so we'll see how that does. I'm done applying. This is what my hair looks like. This is the one side. I want to put a little bit more because y'all know I like a lot of products. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more around the perimeter of my head. So we are done. And this is what my hair looks like. It looks shiny. It looks good, it looks shiny. I'm seeing some good curl definition, guys. So we'll see. I'm wondering how much shrinkage I'll have using this product. Hopefully not a lot. I will come back to show you what it looks like once it's dry. And I'm hoping to get a week out of this product, guys. So we will see. I'll let you know. I'll be back to show you my hair when it's dry. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I am back. This is actually third day hair. I wasn't able to record yesterday when my hair was fully dry, but I'm back to show you what my hair looks like on third day hair, guys. And I'm going to tell you that the Aloe Berry Styling Gel from Alikay Naturals is definitely a keeper. Guys, look at my hair. I love that I still have definition. And that's what my definition looks like. Third day hair. That's what my hair looks like. It looks good, right? One product, wash and go. So there's not too many products that I would use alone on my hair, but this is definitely one of them. I'm pleasantly surprised with this product. It's surprising for me because it's not thick. The product's not thick at all, but I don't know, it's something about this product that gave me great results, gave me great definition. I feel a hold. It's not a crunchy hold. My hair feels soft and my hair is definitely like moving. It's not stiff. So I would say overall this is a good product for me. It works well with my hair and I would definitely use it again, and it's definitely going to be another product that I'm adding to my stash. Like I need any more products, but hey, a girl can never have too many hair products, right? So yeah, I will be adding the Alikay Aloe Berry Styling Gel to my stash. This is a great product for a one product wash and go. Listen, I've said this before and I'm gonna say it again. Any product that you can use by itself and go on about your business is a winner in my book, because less product, the less time you're taking to style your hair. You're eliminating one step, right? Normally I put in a leave-in before I put in a styler or a gel. I'm eliminating a whole step of application. So it saves me some time. It takes me about 10 minutes, I would say, or so. Alright guys, so let me know down below. You know how it goes. Have you tried Alikay Naturals Aloe Berry Styling Gel before? And how did you like the product? Let me know down below if you would try this product. I have had the Alikay Naturals line on my list of things to try for quite some time now. So I'm glad that I finally tried something. I actually tried 3 things from this line, and so far I like all 3. I only used the shampoo and the conditioner once, and so far so good. I do want to give it some more time and use it a few more times before I give it a final, I guess, rating. So yeah, but this is staying in my stash. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like because it helps me out. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.